Welcome to my channel 5-Minute Auto, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. The Mini Cooper of the 1990s, particularly the models produced by Rover, represents a blend of iconic British motoring heritage with modern updates. While the original Mini, created in 1959 by Sir Alec Isigonis, had already carved out its place in automotive history, the 1990s Rover Mini Cooper revitalized this legacy, offering enthusiasts a more refined yet nostalgically familiar driving experience. The 1990s Mini Cooper brought back the charm, quirkiness, and practicality that had defined the Mini since its inception. Rover, which owned the Mini brand at the time, introduced these new iterations to keep up with modern demands while still appealing to the purist Mini fans. The design remained true to the compact and efficient layout of the classic Mini, a small, boxy car with a unique personality. On the outside, the 1990s Mini Cooper is easily recognized by its cute, round headlights, short wheelbase, and distinctive grille, keeping it firmly in line with the original Mini's look. However, the car now featured sportier touches, including racing stripes and alloy wheels, setting the Cooper version apart from the standard Minis of the time. Under the hood, Rover fitted the Mini Cooper with a 1.3-liter inline-4 engine, which delivered a modest, yet spirited, 63 to 85 horsepower depending on the model year and tuning options. While these numbers might not sound particularly impressive by today's standards, it's important to remember that the Mini Cooper was a very light car, weighing just over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. This lightweight construction allowed the car to offer an exhilarating and nimble driving experience, especially when taking tight corners, something the Mini had always been renowned for. The Cooper's responsive handling and sprightly acceleration made it feel much quicker than the numbers on paper suggested. Performance-wise, the 1990s Mini Cooper had a top speed of around 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour. Although not a high-performance car by any means, the Mini wasn't designed for straight-line speed or autobahn cruising. Its true strength lay in its ability to weave in and out of city traffic, handle tight curves, and fit into parking spaces that would be impossible for larger cars. In fact, driving a Mini Cooper was often compared to driving a go-kart, thanks to its small size, precise steering, and low center of gravity. The car felt incredibly agile and was a joy to drive on twisty back roads or busy urban streets alike. Inside, the Mini Cooper maintained its charmingly minimalist interior. It wasn't exactly luxurious, but it provided all the basics a driver would need, along with some retro styling cues that harkened back to earlier models. The cabin was cozy, with the driver and front passenger seated quite close together, but it was comfortable enough for city commutes or weekend drives in the countryside. There were also various options for custom interior designs, so owners could add some flair to their Mini Cooper with special trims and upholstery. Throughout the 1990s, the Rover Mini Cooper continued to attract fans from both the younger generation and longtime Mini lovers. Its blend of retro appeal, fun driving dynamics, and compact practicality kept it in demand, even as larger, more powerful cars became the norm. The 1990s Mini Cooper perfectly balanced nostalgic design with modern driving needs, offering a vehicle that could zip through traffic and turn heads with its distinctive looks. The revival of the Mini Cooper during this era helped cement its position as a cultural icon. Even though the horsepower was relatively modest, and the top speed was far from thrilling, it wasn't about how fast you could go. It was about the sheer enjoyment of the drive. The 1990s Mini Cooper gave drivers something that few cars could. A blend of history, style, and a fun, responsive driving experience that brought a smile to your face every time you got behind the wheel.